వీడియో టర్న్ ఆన్ చేయకపోతే నేను రిమూవ్ చేస్తారు. సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా సార్? సార్ అందరిని మీట్ చేస్తాను సార్. 1 or 2 మెంబర్స్ ని పెట్టండి సార్ చాలు. అందరిని మీట్ చేస్తాను. Good afternoon to all. Respected our AGO sir, Sri Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu. Good afternoon sir. Our convener sir Somsekhar sir garu. Good afternoon sir. And my once again good afternoon to all.
Screenshot తీసుకుంటా.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. అది
రీడింగ్
The second chapter is plant tissues ma'am. In previous topics, we learned about the following topics: introduction plant tissue, definition of plant tissue structure and function, parts of plant. Today, I am going to teach about the following new topics. Once again, I recall the parts of plant: onion peel experiment, cell in leaf peel experiment. Disturbance ga undi. Next, already in your previous class, we learned about what are the parts of the plant. Anybody say what are the parts of the plant?
Stem, root,
Okay.
fruit,
Okay.
leaf,
Okay.
flowers, madam.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, very good. The main parts of the plant are roots, leaf, flower, stem, fruits. These are all very essential parts of the plant. See in this slide, what are the parts are there? What is the every part of the plant? Every part is what is the functioning is like that. ప్రతి ఒక్క భాగము అది ఏమేం పని చేస్తూ ఉంది. Please everyone watch this video and watch this slide also. The first part is already we know 2 systems are there. Roots above the part is say like that shoot system. Shoot system below the system is called as root system. Shoot and root system, both systems are there. Root system has a roots. Shoot system has a leaves, flowers, stem, fruits and seeds also. In the first one is roots. What is the roots? The functioning is, roots functioning is supports plant and takes in water and nutrients from the soil. Roots supports plant and takes in water and nutrients from the soil. భూమి నుంచి అది ఏమేమి తీసుకుంటుందంట? వాటర్ అండ్ న్యూట్రైట్స్. ఓకే మా? దిస్ వాటర్ అండ్ న్యూట్రైట్స్ కన్వర్ట్ రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ. నెక్స్ట్ I am going to the next part. Leaf. Leaf uses sunlight and chlorophyll to convert carbon dioxide and water to sugar, gives off water and oxygen. We know, we learned about the previous classes also. What is the process of the photosynthesis? We know everyone. Anybody say ma? Define the photosynthesis, everyone. Anybody say? Okay. Leaves ma. Leaves also presence of sunlight. Okay. Absorb from the soil water and nutrients. Receiving to the carbon dioxide from the environment. It during the process of the photosynthesis. Only the plants also preparing own creative food only. Plants only preparing their food only. Plants only preparing food themselves. మొక్కలు మాత్రమే తమంతకు తాముగా ఆహారాన్ని తయారు చేసుకుంటాయి. వేరొక వాటిపైన ఆధారపడవు. Don't depend others. Okay. Presence of sunlight. Chlorophyll means green pigment. Green color pigment show it indicate with leaves. ఆకుపచ్చని ఆకులన్నీ కూడా ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ లో ఉండేటువంటి కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకొని భూమిలో ఉన్నటువంటి నీటిని పోషక పదార్థాలని తీసుకొని ఇన్ ద ప్రెజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సన్లైట్ సూర్యరశ్మి సమక్షంలో జరిపేటువంటి ప్రక్రియని కిరణజన్య సంయోగక్రియ is called as photosynthesis. In presence of sunlight, absorbed from the soil water and nutrients, receiving to the environment by the carbon dioxide during the process of photosynthesis. Okay ma? Leaves uses sunlight and chlorophyll to convert carbon dioxide and water to sugar, but gives off water and oxygen. Okay. The next part is flower. Flowers, it produces seeds. Everyone know. Flowers, it produces seeds. Next, the part is stem. The stem support leaves and transport water and nutrients. Roots gives to the water and nutrients. The stem transport remaining parts of the plant, water and nutrients. Can you able to understand, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next part is fruits, ma. Fruits, they protect the seed and helps with the seed dispersal. Protect the seeds. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? విత్తనం అంటే సీడ్ కి ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తూ అదేమవుతుంది? డిస్పర్సల్ అవ్వడానికి సహాయపడుతుంది. Protects the seed and helps with the seed dispersal. The seed dispersal anyone new places that place the seeds capable to produce and it germinate in new plant. Germinate to the new plant. ఎక్కడైతే సీడ్ పోయి పడుతుందో అక్కడ ఒక కొత్త మొక్క ఉత్పత్తి కావడం జరుగుతుంది. Can you able to understand all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
These are all parts of a plant. Very essential parts of the plant. Every part of the plant during the every functions, everyone it carry to the each one part of roots, leaf, flowers, stem, fruit, seeds. These are all during the parts of a plants. Everyone during the functions, ma. Every part during the functions. Can you able to understand?
Understand, ma'am.
Can you move to next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I'm going to another one new topic is onion peel experiment, ma. In your previous class, 8th class, we learned about the onion peel experiments. See in these pictures, in this slide, all of you see in this every picture in this slide already I given to like that. Under the onion peel, only see in the microscopes only. Microscope la maatrame manamu onion peel ni చూడగలుగుతాము. They're not visible to like that. నువ్వు మామూలుగా దీన్ని చూడలేము. Okay. See, every picture is inside of the onion peel cells. Inside onion, what are the cells are there? Every cell inside the so many parts are there, ma. Cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole. These are all parts of the inside of the cell. These are all parts of the cell. Already we learned in the first lesson. Okay. Inside the onion cell, so many parts are there. Only see in the microscope only. I give some, what is the experiment it proved to the onion peel, ma. Shall you move to next slide?
Okay, ma'am.
First, onion peel experiment. First, with requirement of the materials. What are the required materials? See in this slide. Onion, slides, cover slips, watch glass, petri dish, forceps, needle, dropper, glycerin, blotting paper, blade or knife, saffron solution and a microscope. These are all required materials in the experiment by the onion peel. Can you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall you move to next slide?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. What is the procedure of the onion peel experiment? First, take a medium-sized onion, cut its outer surface with a knife. Next, use forceps to remove the peel of onion. With the help of needle, separate the small portion of epidermis. Epidermis is called as outer layer of the cell, ma. In a watch glass. Bhavita, don't disturb. Keep quiet. Keep dilute saffron solution in a watch glass. This small peel in this watch glass with a brush and allow it to strain for 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer the strained peel to another watch glass that contains distilled water in it to remove extra strain. Take a clean dry slide and they place 2 drops of water or glycerin on the center of the slide. Transfer the strained peel with the needle and brush on the middle of the slide. If the peel equals the strengthen it and flatten it with the brush and needle to this gently. With the help of the blade, cut the peel into a square shape. Take a dry and clean cover slip and gently place it on the slide with the help of the needle such that no air bubbles enter in it. Gently press the cover slip with the needle for even spreading of glycerin. Remove the extra stain and water with the help of blotting paper. This is the procedure, ma'am. Okay. What is the experiment? This is the procedure, and after I share with one video, you clearly observed video. What is the experiment by the onion peel? See this video, ma. వీడియో కనిపిస్తుంది అందరికి?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For this video, Seema will take the onion, cut the onion piece, and just you take the forceps and you put it the glass slide. Okay. You remove the onion peel with the forceps. Put it in the glass slide. Add the few drops of water or glycerin. After it, put it to the few drops of saffron solution and put it to the cover slip. Don't disturb to the middle of the part of onion peel. And it will take and see the microscope. It will show the inside of the onion peel, what are the parts are there? Vacuole, nucleus, cytoplasm. Onion cells inside, these parts are there. It is proved in the experiment, ma. Okay. Can you able to understand this video, ma?
Understand, ma'am.
Okay. Can you move to next slide?
Okay, ma'am.
This is the onion peel experiment, ma'am. మనము ఆనియన్ పీల్ ఆల్రెడీ 8th క్లాస్ లో మనం తెలుసుకున్నాము. ఆనియన్ పీల్ మనం ఎలా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసి లోపల ఉన్నటువంటి సెల్స్ ని మనం ఎలా చూడాలి అనేటువంటివి మన వీడియోతో షేర్ చేసి చూసాం. కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ?
Understand, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Can you move to next slide?
Okay, ma'am.
Cells in a leaf peel experiment, ma'am. అంటే ఆకు లోపల ఉన్నటువంటి సెల్స్. ఇంతకు ముందు మనం ఏం చేసాము? ఆనియన్ పీల్ ఉన్నటువంటి సెల్స్ చూసాం. Able to see in the inside of the onion peel cells. Present leaf peel inside what is the cells are there? Okay. This is the inside the structures, ma. In this slide, all of you see. In the slides, so many structures are there, ma. These are also inside leaf peel cells, ma. లోపల మనము ఆకును తయారు చేసి మనం దాన్ని ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్ గా కానీ చూస్తే మనకు లోపల ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ యొక్క ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనకు లోపల కనిపిస్తుంది. అన్ని సెల్స్ లో అన్ని లీవ్స్ లో ఒకేలాగా ఉండదు. ఇన్సైడ్ సెల్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే. మనకు ఆకు లోపల ఆల్రెడీ వి నో ఇన్సైడ్ ద లీఫ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఎ స్టొమోటా. మనకు ఆకు లోపల స్టొమోటా కూడా ఉంటుంది. Helps to the exchange of the gases. Okay, this is leaf peel experiment, ma. Inside what are the cells are there? Can you move to next slide? See. What is the experiment in the main leaf to prepare a temporary mount of your leaf peel? It shows the stomata. What is the requirement of the materials? What is the requirement of the operators? A potted bryophyllum plant, forceps, needles, watch glasses, glass slide, dropper, cover slips, brush, blotting paper, saffron solution, glycerin and compound microscope. These are all requirement of the materials in this experiment. Leaf cells in a leaf peel experiment. Okay. Once again, I will say what are the requirement of the materials. A potted bryophyllum plant, any other plants also, ma, not only bryophyllum. Forceps, needles, beetle plants also we will take. Watch glasses, glass slides, a dropper, cover slips, blotting paper, saffron solution, glycerin and a compound microscope. Okay, can you able to understand all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the procedure by the cells in a leaf peel experiment? See, remove a healthy leaf from the potted plant. Remove a part of the peel from the lower surface of the leaf. Lower surface of the leaf mark. You can do this by folding the leaf over and gently pulling the peel a part of using forceps. అది ఆకు ముడిచిపోకుండా మనం దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి, నీట్ గా మనం దాన్ని కట్ చేసి ఫోర్సెప్స్ తో మనం ఇలా గట్టిగా పట్టుకోవాలి. కీప్స్ ద పీల్ ఇన్ ఏ వాచ్ గ్లాస్ కంటైనింగ్ వాటర్. ఒక వాచ్ గ్లాస్ తీసుకున్న దాంట్లో వాటర్ వేసి ఈ పీల్ దాని లోపలికి ఉంచాలి. ఓకే. Next, put a few
Yes,
drops
ma'am.
of saffron stain in a watch glass. Put a few drops of saffron solution in a watch glass. After 2 or 3 minutes, take out the peel and place it on a clean glass slide. Put a drop of glycerin over the peel and place a clean cover slip gently over it with the help of a needle. Next, remove the excess of the stain and glycerin with the help of a blotting paper. Observe the slide under the low power and high power magnifications of the compound microscope. Okay, this is the procedure of by the cell in a leaf peel experiment. In this experiment also, I explained clearly and I will share with me in video. Sir, Ilyas sir? Ilyas sir?
చెప్పండి మేడం.
ఒకసారి వీడియో నేను ప్లే చేయాలనుకున్నాను, అది మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళిపోయింది సార్.
పోయింది వీడియో.
అదే సార్, ఇది కాదు, అందుకని చూస్తాను. Seema, doses of a tomato on a leaf peel. What are the materials required? See, needle, brush, forceps, glycerin, cover slip, balsam leaf or any other leaf, glass slide, watch glasses, distilled water, saffron solution, filter paper, compound microscope. What is the procedure, ma'am? You take the drops of the water and put to the watch glass, and you take the leaf, tear with leaf, and insert the leaf. Remove the peel with the forceps and put it to the watch glass. And another watch glass, put the few drops of the saffron solution, and you take the brush and you take to the leaf peel. Another watch glass, to them. After few minutes, not disturb. After it, and another glass also wash to the leaf peel. After it put to the glass slide and few drops of the add to the glycerin and put it to the cover slip and remove the excess of the glycerin stains. After it see to the microscope. See, inside the leaf peel, The structure of the inside, epidermis cells, cell wall, nucleus, vacuoles. This also blue indicates the part is stomata. These are all inside of the parts are the leaf phylma. Okay. Can you able to understand me in this video?
Understand,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
The first experiment is onion peel experiment, ma'am. The second experiment is leaf peel experiment. Everyone, the two experiments very important. And what is the procedure? What is the require of the materials? I don't show to the lively, ma'am, in this experiment. Just like I share with videos, I can level best to understand to you. I try only watch the videos and what are the experiments, do it to like that. Everyone, do you follow the slides and do you follow the videos? You just very clearly understand, ma. ఓకే, మీరందరూ కూడా ఈ స్లైడ్స్ ని ఆ వీడియోస్ కానీ చూసినట్లయితే మీకు ఈ యొక్క ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ నేను లైవ్ లో చూపించలేను. ఓన్లీ ద ఇంటరాక్ట్ విత్ ఓన్లీ జూమ్ క్లాస్, మనం ఓన్లీ ఇంటరాక్ట్ విత్ జూమ్ లో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాం. నేను మీకు లైవ్ లో చూపించలేను, దానివల్ల మీకు వీడియో షేర్ చేస్తాను. కెన్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ?
Yes, madam.
Understand, ma'am.
సార్ ఇంకా టైం ఉందా సార్? ఇలియా సార్?
మేడం ఇంకా 4 minutes ఉంది మేడం.
సరే సార్, నేను పిల్లలతో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతాను. ఓకే మా, how many plant tissues are there, ma? Anybody say? In the previous class we learned about this. How many plant tissues are there, ma?
2 types, ma'am.
What are they?
First, shoot system, root system, ma'am.
That is parts of the plant, ma. I'm not asking the only that only. I'm asking how many types of the plant tissues are there?
అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని చెప్పండి. ఆన్సర్ ఎవరు చెప్తారు వాళ్ళు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని చెప్పండి. మీరే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
Tissue, complex tissue, ma'am.
Okay, the mainly 2 types are there, ma. What are they? Anybody say, ma?
Permanent tissue.
Yeah, next. Say. Harika, correct. Say, ma. Permanent tissue.
Meristematic tissue.
You will follow in my class. Okay, very good. What is the parts of the plant? Anybody say?
Roots.
Not only Harika.
Roots.
Anybody say, ma?
Roots, stem, leaves.
Kusuma say.
Root, leaf, flower, system, fruits, nut.
Okay, good. Say, ma. Purnima also say.
Root, leaf, stem, flower, fruit.
Okay. How many systems are there in the plant?
Two types of systems.
Okay. Another one. Sneha. Sema. Nikita. Laya. Say how many systems are in that plant, ma?
2 types, ma'am.
What are they?
Root system, shoot system, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. What are the shoot system, their parts, ma? In their parts, what are the shoot system in their parts?
Stem,
Seeds,
Leaves,
flowers,
flowers, leaves,
flowers,
One member.
stem,
Okay. Sema.
seeds, flowers, leaf, fruit, stem.
These parts also, it says called root system. Root system only roots are there. Can you able to understand in this class, all of you?
Understand, ma'am.
Any doubts are there?
Understand, ma'am.
Doubts are there, ma?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
కమింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ మీకు నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ లో FA1 ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ ఉంటుంది. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఆన్లైన్ లోనే ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటుంది మా. ఆన్లైన్ లోనే ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీరు అక్కడే ఆన్లైన్ లోనే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ అప్పటికప్పుడే మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ చేసి అప్పుడు మాకు సెండ్ చేసి అప్పటికప్పుడే మార్క్స్ కూడా మీకు ఇవ్వబడుతుంది. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఫాలో అండ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ మీరు వరకు బాగా చదవాలి. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఆల్సో వాట్ మా
21st స్కూల్ ఓపెన్ అంటాను.
ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇన్ నాకు అంత తెలియదు, దాని గురించి ఐడియా లేదు. కానీ మీకు మాత్రము నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఫస్ట్ వీక్ లో మాత్రం FA1 ఎగ్జామినేషన్ మాత్రం త్రూ ది ఓన్లీ జూమ్ క్లాస్. మీకు జూమ్ క్లాస్ లోనే ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది. మీరు అందరూ ఐ డోంట్ నో
Biology class. Biology class.
బయాలజీ
క్లాస్
నేను వాట్సాప్ లో పెడతాను. మీకు 9th క్లాస్ నాకు కలిగిరి వాళ్ళ గ్రూప్ తీసుకుంటాను. ఆల్రెడీ 8th వాళ్ళకి నేను పెడతాను.